All right, so we learned the steps yesterday. Today is just some extra practice, and your exit ticket you'll actually be solving. So yesterday we didn't have to solve, we just had to tell me what the step was. So let's check our variables. So the x's both have a 4, and the y's have a 2 and an 8. So we're gonna deal with the x's, right? We're looking for the same number. Now, they have opposite signs, so we are going to add to get rid of those. So we're going to put the plus sign here. It's really, really important that I see what you're doing, adding or subtracting, because that'll be, if you do something wrong, that'll be the first place I look. So when I add these, -4 and +4, they eliminate each other. So the x's have been eliminated. Then I have a -2 plus +8. That leaves me with an overall 6y. And then I have a -12 plus a -24. So I add them together and I keep their sign. To get the y by itself, my last step is to divide by 6. So y is -6. I'm going to pick one of these equations. I like this one better. I'm going to rewrite it. But instead of y, I'm going to put a -6 in its place inside parentheses. So we have 4x minus 48 equals -24, two-step equation. Get rid of the -48 by adding. These are gone. So these signs are different, so I subtract. So 24, I have more positive, so it's +24. Last step is to divide by 4. So x is +6 and y is -6. On the next slide, we will check. 6, -6, remember this is x, this is y. First equation, we're plugging these things in parentheses. Parentheses means multiply. So this is a -24. Negative times negative is positive. Opposite signs, we subtract, keep the sign of the larger, which is negative. First one checks out. Second equation, plugging in parentheses. X is 6, y is -6. 24 minus 48. Opposite signs, we subtract. We have more negatives. Second one checks out as well. We can put our answer in the box. 2 more practice problems.